Good day po teachers and other government employees. Welcome back po dito sa Learning Pal, kung saan po tayo nag-share ng latest DepEd news and updates and free learning resources. So teachers, na meron pong bagong update. Yung Pag-ibig, regarding naman po sa kanilang ino-offer na 3% subsidized housing loan. So check po natin yung kanilang post. So dito po sa inquirer.net, nakalagay po rito na ang Pag-ibig nga po ay ikakat yung kanilang socialized housing loan rate to 3%. So, check po natin yung kanila pong mga requirements at ano po yung mga sinabi para po maka-avail po dito. So, ito pong kanilang Pag-ibig Fund announced on Friday a new special subsidized interest rate to make socialized housing more accessible as part of the government's push to affordable home ownership. So sabi po ng Pag-ibig, magkakaroon po ng special 3% interest rate would apply to the first 5 years of housing loans under the expanded Pambansang Pabahay para sa Pilipino or expanded 4PH program. So ito raw pong rate is available to eligible first-time home buyers from the lowest income segments up to 7 income decile. Those earning below 47,856 per month in Metro Manila and 34,686 in other regions. And maganda po dito ay pwede po maka-avail yung ating mga qualified overseas Filipino workers in this program. So ito pong subsidized rate will apply to the purchase of socialized housing units, including the house and lot packages, priced up to 850,000 pesos, and condominium units worth up to 1.8 million pesos. So maganda po itong balita. And aside from that po ay yung beneficiaries of the program may also avail themselves of additional financing of up to 100,000 pesos for home improvements, including utility connections and basic features. So, maganda po itong opportunity para po mag-avail ng Pag-ibig, no? Socialized housing loan na binaba po nila for 3%. So, for other details, don't forget po to subscribe. Hit the notification bell para update po tayo kung meron po tayong mga latest news. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.